Welcome to the Pro Sheet SWOT Analysis Tracker tutorial. The SWOT Analysis Sheet is designed to help you visualize strategic decision-making and identify business opportunities by analyzing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. When we open the SWOT Analysis Tracker, we see the Home Sheet. The Home Sheet provides navigation buttons to move between different sections of the SWOT Analysis Tracker. For example, clicking the Instructions icon opens the Instruction Sheet, and you can return to the Home Sheet by clicking the Home icon. Other buttons available are Settings, SWOT Framework, Dashboard, and Data Input. Let's explore each sheet one by one. Instruction Sheet. The Instruction Sheet offers basic guidance on using the SWOT Analysis Tracker, along with Microsoft Excel settings to ensure smooth functionality across different versions. A Back-to-Top button is provided at the end of each sheet to quickly return to the top. Settings Sheet. The Settings Sheet allows you to manage key variables such as categories like political, economic, social, technological, legal, environmental, and customers, importance levels, high, medium, and low, and scoring ranges. You can modify these variables or add new ones according to your requirements, and the changes will automatically be updated throughout the SWOT Analysis Tracker. Data Input Sheet. This sheet is where you input data for the analysis. Start by entering a description. Then select the category and indicate whether the task is a strength S, weakness W, opportunity O, or threat T by selecting Y for yes or in for no. Next, choose a score from 1 to 10 and provide any additional remarks. Dashboard Sheet. The dashboard offers a comprehensive overview and analysis of all tasks. It displays the number of actions categorized as strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For example, the current data shows 6 strength actions, 9 weakness actions, 4 opportunity actions, and 1 threat action, totaling 20 actions. The dashboard updates dynamically whenever new data is added or changes are made in the data input sheet. It also shows the percentage of each type of action: strength 30%, weakness 45%, opportunity 20%, and threat 5%. Additionally, you can see the number of actions by category and by importance: high, medium, low. SWOT Framework Sheet. The SWOT Framework Sheet is a strategic planning tool used to assess internal and external factors affecting a business or project. It categorizes tasks into 4 key areas: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. All tasks marked as strengths appear under strengths, and so on for each category. For instance, if we change a task from no to yes for the threat category in the data input sheet, it will be reflected on the SWOT Framework Sheet, increasing the number of threats from 1 to 2. Correspondingly, this change will be displayed on the dashboard, showing an increase in the number and percentage of threat actions. By using this tool, you can effectively identify critical areas to focus on for strategic growth and improvement. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Pro Sheet SWOT Analysis Tracker.